Yeehaw, it's YouTube Tuesday. This is Jean, and CA's holding the camera tonight. We're back here in the rabbit pen, and we were just talking about this, that it takes a lot to be doing what we're doing. We are farming on a very small scale, but still it's like 24/7. We've been working hard all day, and tonight we got to clean out the rabbit cage, the rabbit pen, because it needs it. So you got to do what needs to be done when it needs to be done. So we're back here right now. We are going to be raking out the old straw and everything and the old sticks. And right here we got a bunch of the old sticks. We're going to take them out. We've got a bunch of new wood that we're going to put in here. We had no idea that rabbits needed wood so much until we have them in this living free in this enclosure. But we just put a piece of wood down there and see how they're gnawing on it. As soon as CA put that down, they just attacked it like a bunch of piranhas. And so I thought, okay, I know the old wood is totally stripped of bark. I thought they were just keeping their teeth down by gnawing on it, so their teeth wouldn't get too big. But they're actually eating the bark. I think they're eating the bark. So, and I think that also helps their teeth, but I think they're eating the bark. And we're fixing to put a bunch more in here. I mean, they're just, as soon as he put it down, they just attacked it. So anyway, we're going to get back to our chores. I did bring them some, whoops, one of our rakes just fell. I did bring them some lettuce, but right now I'm just going to let them, here, we'll try a little bit and see if Chinchilla will usually come over and eat some. Chinchilla, 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 Chinchilla. Come on. Here she comes. Here she comes. Chinchilla is one of our original rabbits that we rescued from some cages in Williamsburg. They were taking good care of them, but they just didn't want them anymore, and we decided we wanted to have them free range out here in a rabbit colony. So Chinchilla is one of those original 9 that we got, and she loves lettuce. Anyway, before we get back to cleaning this up, one of the main reasons we're cleaning it up is because we're having a 4-H group come Thursday. And we're so excited about groups coming back. We used to get a lot of groups, and then because of the COVID, they stopped coming. But we're so looking forward to having groups coming back. So this Thursday, 10 to 2, is going to be a 4-H group. We're so excited about that. And then Friday night is our karaoke open mic night from 6 to 8 here at the farm. And that's a time for amateurs and anybody to enjoy sharing music. So check that out on our website. It's cajfarm.com. And also then Saturday, we've got our Fairy Fest / Wellness Day. We're going to be doing 3 wellness days this year, and all of them have a theme. So this one is Fairy Fest, a day of fantasy and fun. Wear your ears. We're going to have a dragon egg race. We're going to have the Dance of the Fairies. We're going to have a costume contest. We're going to have Dot's Hot Dogs are going to be here. It's just going to be a day of fun from 1 to 5 on Saturday. The details on that are also on the website, cajfarm.com. Anyway, you get busy with your chores, and we'll get busy with ours, and you stay well.